Glen Roy. What a beautiful day. Stunning. Look at that view. Turn that wind motor off. Check that out. Steve's coming up behind us. Oh, we've got a cockerel on the road. Oh, I know. Got loads of chicks as well. Oh, look. Look at the chicks. Look at them chicks there, man. Oh, look at that. Check that out. Go on, kids. Oh, that's beautiful, isn't it? Excellent. Got that on video. Yeah, a lot of just video going down there. Nice one. Beautiful round here. A single track, couple of houses. About, I don't know, I'm guessing 5 houses on this lane, on this stretch of it anyway. Really nice. Woo. So we're heading to Windy Corner. We're a bit busy next week, so we thought we'd do it now. Woo. Got a weird creaking on my bars, I think. I might have to change my handlebars. Doesn't sound good, that. Excuse me. And this here, if you're driving around here, you'd follow the road, but we're going straight on up the green lane. And up to Windy Corner. Here, Steve.